Channel AI images and chat. So here you have it. Channel is the ultimate platform for unlimited creativity and free expression in your pocket. You have brought together the best open source image generators, user created characters, and the world's leading AI assistant ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Gemini, Llama, and more all in one. So premium image generation, memes, photorealism, face swapping new images, swap any face, custom character creation, use all the top AI assistants, access ChatGPT, unlimited freedom, create your own avatars, all you need in one AI app. And then you can just go and install it. So let's see how it looks like. AI Chat Super App. So now you can go and create your account. And then this is what you have. So you can then upgrade or no. And then this is just the overview, images, companions, creations, and then you have some 5 energies for free, and then you need to upgrade. So you can just use this generation and then tap an image, and then this is just how it looks like. And then you can ask any image edits, and then this is just how it created the image. And then you can just and then yeah, this is just basically what you have. And then let's see how many. So I spent like 2 credits. So for each message there is 1 credit, and then they are automatically re-updated. So basically this app is free, but you just need to wait. So that's the app, pretty cool.